The fourth way is again, which we tell water bottle technique. So your water bottle, whatever you want in your life right now, one or two, don't write more things. uh, if it is like, it's okay, but if you write one thing, you will attract it even quicker. So write that one thing, on your bottle, on a sticker or whatever you want to put it, and keep that bottle filled, that keep that filled bottle beside your bed at night. And once you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should take that bottle, say thank you, water, thank you universe, for giving this power to the water. Every time I drink this water, I become more healthy, I become more wealthy, I become more happy, I become more loved.